grade 6. We will revise with each other math. Question number 1. Murad has 340 books. Can he make sets of 5 books each without any book remaining, and why? Its meaning, can we divide 340 by 5 or no? Okay, to know 340 divisible by 5 or no, look to the ones place. Ones place to be divisible by 5 has to be 0 or 5. Here ones place is 0, then 340 divisible by 5. Yes, because 340 divisible by 5. Okay, how we know the numbers is divisible by any number? Remember, all numbers divisible by 1, and all numbers except 0 divisible by itself, and the even numbers only divisible by 2. And to know the number divisible by 3 or no, we will add or find the sum of all digits. Like question number 2, Farida made 78. We will add 7 plus 8 equals 15. 15 divisible by 3, or number 15 in timetable 3 or no? Yes, number 15 in timetable 3. Then 78 divisible by 3. Okay, to know the number is divisible by 4 or no, look at ones and tens together. Not ones only, not tens only. Ones and tens. For example, 124. Ones and tens is 24. 24 in timetable 4? Yes. Then 124 divisible by 4. Okay. Here, complete using Venn diagram. The two numbers represented on the Venn diagram are, look, to know the number, hide the circle. Here we will hide this circle to know the first number equal what? I will hide 3 and 7, then the first circle I have 2, 5, then 2 times 5 equals 10. The first number is 10. To know the second number, hide the first circle, and in the second circle I have 3 and 7. 3 times 7 equals 21. Then the two numbers are 10 and 21. The common prime factors, here, the common prime factors, we put it here in the common area. I don't have any numbers in the common area, then I don't have any common prime factors. Then GCF equals 1. Okay, LCM of the two numbers equal 2 times 5 times 3 times 7 equals 210. Remember, GCF equals the product of the numbers in the common area. If you don't have any numbers in the common area, then GCF equals 1. And LCM equals the product of all factors. Okay, are the two numbers relatively prime numbers? Yes. What are the relatively prime numbers? The two numbers there, GCF equals 1. Okay, Karim has 48 pencils, 18 crayons. What is the numerical expression of the greatest number of sets? Here I need to find GCF to know the number of groups or the number of sets, and I need to find how many elements in each set. Here 48 and 18. We will factorize 48 and 18, find GCF. GCF, it will be equal 6. Then I will put 6 outside the brackets. And 48 divided 6 equals 8. 18 divided 6 equals 3. Then he will has 6 sets or 6 groups. In each group 8 pencils and 3 crayons. Okay, arrange each group of the following numbers ascending and descending. Remember, ascending like ant, start from the smallest number, and descending dinosaur, start from the greatest number. Here 8, it's 8, and negative 17, negative, remember, absolute value of negative 3, remember, any number in the absolute value equal positive number. Here absolute value of negative 3 equal positive 3, and here negative 9, absolute value of 12 equal 12. Ascending, we said ascending start from the negative. Yes, Here, the smallest negative from these negative numbers, negative 17 or negative 9, negative 17 is smaller than negative 9, yes. Then negative 17, negative 9, after that, do you have 0? No, I don't have 0. Then go to the positive numbers. Here, absolute value of negative 3, we said it's equal 3, and 8, and finally, absolute value of 12 equals 12. The descending, remember, start from the greatest. We will make the opposite. Absolute value of 12, 8, absolute value of negative 3, negative 9, and negative 17. Okay, find the value of the algebraic expression. Remember, algebraic expression I don't have equal, and the equation I have equal. 4a minus 15 divided by 3. If a equal 2. Step number 1, substitute. What is the meaning of substitution? We will take the variable and put its value. Here I have 4a. 4a, it means 4 times a. Then I will take letter a and put its value. Its value equal 2. Then it will be 4 times 2 equals 8. Minus 15 divided 3. Remember, order of operation. Step number 1, substitution. Step number 2, brackets. I don't have any brackets. Then the next step, exponent. I don't have exponent. Then times or divided. I have times first before dividing. Then we will make the times. 4 times 2 equals 8. Then I have minus and divided. Then divided first. Yes, excellent. Then 15 divided 3 equals 5. I have finally 8 minus 5 equal 3. Okay. Dia saves 150 pounds every month from expenses. So if the amount that he saves in X month is Y, here the total amount Y. The equation that represents the situation is, remember, the total Y. Then I will say Y equal, he saves 150 each month. Then 150 X. X is the number of months. Then the independent, which object will change and make a change to the second one? X. Remember, independent inside, and input. Here inside letter X. Then the dependent outside, letter Y. Excellent. What Dia saves in a year? Oh, 1 year equal 12 months. Then I will take X and put it equals 12. 150 times 12 equals 1,800 pounds. Okay, you have to write all steps. Okay, draw the box plot for each of the following groups of values. 3, 8, 7, 2, 10, 12, 9, 2, 10, and 9. Step number 1, order. Okay, if you find or draw the box plot without order, all answers, it will be incorrect. Step number 1, order, ascending, remember. 2, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 12. After you have finished from order, count how many values. And you put how many values. Is it correct? Yes. Then the maximum value, it means the greatest number. The greatest number here, 12. And the minimum value here, 2. Okay. The median, remember median called second quartile. And lower quartile called, yes, first quartile. And upper quartile called third quartile. Okay, step number 1, I need to find median. Cancel 2 with 12, cancel 10 with 2, 3 with 10, and 7 with 9. I have 2 values, 8 and 9. To find the median from 2 values, 8 plus 9 divided 2. 8 plus 9, 17 divided 2 equals 8.5. Then I have finished now from median. I need to find lower and upper quartiles. I will divide the values here into two groups, lower, upper, from 2 to 8 and from 9 to 12. The lower cancel 2 with 8, cancel 3 with 7, then the lower quartile is 3, okay. And the second group, upper values, cancel 9 with 12, cancel 9 with 10. I have 10 in the middle, then 10 in the upper quartile. To draw the box plot, remember minimum, maximum, or dots. Minimum, maximum, dots. Then minimum 2, put dot above 2, but take space. And maximum 12 above 12, I will put dot. Then first, second, third quartiles are dash or lines. Here 3, 8.5 and 10. Above 3 I will take or I will put dash. And 8.5 between 8 and 9. Then in the middle between 8 and 9 I will put dash. Then upper quartile 10, above 10 put dash, and connect all of these to make the box plot. Name 3 solutions in the set of integers for the inequality. What is the meaning of the inequality? Inequality, I have sign greater than, smaller than, greater than or equal, or smaller than or equal. Remember, an equation I have equal. Excellent. Here it's already drawn on the number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then any 3 solutions, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or any number greater than these numbers. If I told you find the inequality represent this number line, these numbers from 0 and all positive numbers, I can say the inequality that represents this number line is x greater than or equal 0, or I can say x greater than -1 without equal, because I don't have -1 here in the solutions. Use the order of mathematical operations. Remember, we said step number 1 bracket, step number 2 exponent, then times or divided, finally plus or minus. Here I have a bracket, then step number 1, answer the bracket. Inside the bracket I have exponent and subtraction. Exponent or subtraction, then exponent. Yes. 3 to the power of 2, remember 3 to the power of 2, it means 3 times itself 2 times, not 3 times 2. Then 3 times itself 2 times 3 times 3 equals 9. Down all numbers as it is, step by step. Remember, write all your steps. Down 40 as it is, plus as it is, and 5 times. Remember, if I don't have any operation between the number and the bracket, then the operation is times. 5 times, we said 3 to the power of 2 equal 9, minus 5 minus 10. The next step, now we have plus times bracket minus, then bracket. Excellent. Here inside the bracket I have 9 minus 4 9 minus 5 equals 4. Down all numbers as it is. Then here I have plus times minus. Super. Times firstly. Here 5 times 4, 20. Then 40 plus 20 minus 10 equals, step by step. Remember, don't make it in one step, it's 2 steps. 40 plus 20 equals 60. Then 60 minus 10 equals 50. The following table represents the length of 40 students in a school. Draw the histogram. Here I have the intervals. Intervals started from 100. I didn't start from 0. Then I have to take a space. Don't start from 0. I will take a space after 0 and draw the first interval. And remember, here in this scale, you can move with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, or 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, or 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, but you have to move with equal scale. Here, if we jump with 2, jump with 2 in each hop. Then 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, the first interval, go up to 6, close it and down. The next one here, its frequency equal 8. Then I will draw the next one. Go up to 10, close it, down. Excellent. 120, 12. Okay, its frequency 12. Go up to 12, close it, down. And the 130 to 139, 10. Go up to 10, close it, down. And the lowest one, 4. Go up 4, close it, down. I have finished. Remember to write the intervals. Here the interval 100 to 109. Take all the square, not take the dash like this scale. In this scale 0 to 4, 6, each number take the number line or take the dash. But the interval take all square. It means all this square has the interval 100 to 109, not only one dash, all square. Okay. Check the following expressions to see if each pair is equivalent or not equivalent. To know the two expressions equivalent or not equivalent, I have to check in more than one value. These two expressions give me same values at same numbers or no. Use two values for x. Remember, if I didn't give you any values, find any value from yourself, okay? The first two expressions, x plus 5, and the next one, 3, open the bracket, x plus 2, close the bracket, minus 2, x minus 1. I need to know equivalent or no, then I will put from myself the values. X equal 1, the first value. X plus 5. Remember substitution, it means I will take the variable, put its value. Take x, put its value 1. 1 plus 5 equals 6. Then the first expression equals 6. Look to the second expression, it will be equal what? I will take the variable and put its value. Take x, put its value 1. Must be same value. Then 3 times, open the bracket, 1 plus 2 minus 2x. It means 2 times x. Don't take x and put 1, say 21. No, it's wrong. I will take x, it means 2 times x. Then 2 times 1 minus 1 equals, here step by step, I will answer the bracket firstly. 1 plus 2 equal 3. Yes, then we will answer times. 3 times 3 equals 9. 9 minus 2 times 1 equal 2. Then 9 minus 2 equal 7. 7 minus 1 equal 6. Okay, the two expressions in the first value, it's equal, but you can't know these two expressions equivalent or no from only one value. You have to check minimum two values. Then the next value, I will say x equal 2. Take x, put its value 2. 2 plus 5 equals 7. And in the next expression, I will take x and put its value. 3, open the bracket, 2 plus 2, close the bracket, minus 2x. It means 2 times x. Super. Negative 2 times 2 minus 1. Answer the bracket firstly. 2 times 2, 4. Then 3 times 4, 12. And here, 2 times 2, 4. 12 minus 4 equals 8. 8 minus 1 equals 7. Then when we will substitute by x equal 1, give me same values. When we substitute x equal 2, same values. Then the two expressions are equivalent. Look at these two expressions. 3 plus 2x and 3 plus 2, open the bracket, x plus 2. If we put x equal 1, I will take x and put its value. You don't have to substitute by 1 and 2 only. You can write any values as you like, okay? Then I will take x and put its value 1. 3 plus 2 times 1. Answer times. Firstly, don't say 3 plus 2 equal 5. No. Okay, 2 times 1 equal 2. 2 plus 3 equal 5. The first expression equal 5. The second expression, I will take x, put its value 1, then answer the bracket firstly. 1 plus 3 equals 4. And I don't have any sign between the number outside the bracket and the bracket. Then it's times. Excellent. 2 times 4 equals 8. 8 plus 3, 11. Then it's not equal. From the first value, it's not equal. But in the question, I told you check with two values. Then you have to check with the second value. But from the first value, you know that it's not equivalent. X equal 2, then 3 plus 2 times 2 equal answer times firstly. You can't say 3 plus 2 equal 5 times 2. No, it's wrong. Times firstly, then 2 times 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. And in the second expression, I will take x, put its value 2, then answer the bracket firstly. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 7 and 13 not equal. Then the two expressions are not equivalent. Okay, good luck.